Hello, Amir here. So I have developed this rental manager web app. Uh, it has certain cool features. It has a very meaningful dashboard that gives some quick information and insights into properties. This is the properties tab where we can get a list of properties and their details. We can add a new property. Similarly, we can add more tenants. We can have a current list of tenants, lease information, insurance, associations, vendors. We can add new vendor, and we have certain categories we can customize as we need. We can raise maintenance tickets for our existing housing units or commercial units, and we can add new transactions for rent, security deposit, late fee, repair and maintenance, taxes and utilities, and so on and so forth. And this is a very uh, simple yet very powerful web application. We can customize it as we need. I have developed it. First of all, the backend, it has been hosted at Railway. The front end, it has been hosted at Vercel. The database is hosted at Supabase, and all the coding has been done in the VS Code. First, development server was run on localhost, and then it was uploaded. The uploading was done through GitHub. So that is all about this application. I hope you would like it. Thank you.